Hello and welcome to the Edu-Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Jessica, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Dr. Nitin Singh Tomar, Director of BIT Global School. Why does he emphasize hands-on exposure to space science, AI, robotics, and skill-based learning for guiding Gen Z and Gen Alpha students? Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Sonal. Let's hear what Sir had to say.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Edu-Leaders Show. Today we have a very special guest with us. He is Dr. Nitin Singh Tomar, Director of BIT Global School, Partapur Bypass. Welcome to the exhibition, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, how's your experience being here at this exhibition?
When we talk about space sciences, and especially when the name connects with the ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization, so everybody has this goosebumps in the emotionally captivating way. And yes, it is very much needed that 21st century skills should be incorporated. Those experience should be incorporated in the school and the experience hubs. So I think this opens a platform for the direct interaction of educators, and because we are the nation builders, will be incorporating those students and those who are going to be the future leaders in this particular zone. So this is a very good platform. I thank you and this KL International School to bring all the good educators of this area at least to bring on this platform. And yes, we are going to be benefited.
So sir, what changes are you going to bring to your school after going back from here?
We already in BIT Global School have incorporated the skill education. Okay. Means when we talk of the pillars, so definitely it starts with the academics, discipline, language, but skill development and character development are the two most important criteria that I think it should be incorporated.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
So we have this Science AI Robotics Club, in which I would love to add this space exploration part as well. Where the students experience how shuttles are made, how ergonomics are taken care of, and how science is going to develop, how we are looking forward that yes, Earth is not only the space where we can live, we can explore beyond it. Yeah. And when we see Tesla and the other companies trying for the same, so yes, India should become a leader, and it is our responsibility because we are creating those young edupreneurs and young scientists. So it is our responsibility to give them the touch right away so that they can feel it, they can get skilled into it, and further, sky is the limit.
True, sir. Sir, how does space education strengthen problem-solving skills among students?
See, I believe that in this era, when the people are genetically smarter, this generation is genetically smarter already.
So are you talking about the Gen Zs?
Yes, Gen Zs and Gen Alphas and Gen Beta and whatnot. Yes, fine. So yes. The small kids are doing wonders, and all we need to give the right direction. They have too many things to be guided and misguided from. Being an educator, we are the filters.
True.
If we can put them into their energy, their knowledge, their curiosity into the right direction, that is all what a school and what an educator can provide to them. So I think this is the right age when the students start thinking, imagination, visualizing for the space exploration, for the possibilities beyond it, the opportunities that lies into it, right? What their role could be, it, how their education should become a one important tool to reach that thing. And Kalpana Chawla, who doesn't know, yes, fine, she has inspired millions of Indians and international, global citizens. So yes, we are looking forward to it. Yes, it should be incorporated into our school education. Every student should get a touch of it, and those who really want to make a good career in it, we welcome them. Okay, so I'm going to put kind of laboratories and those skill development tools, which actually give them the real play of imagination and actuality working.
Okay, sir. And why hands-on experience or hands-on learning important in subjects like space science? Because as we know, today also we are having real-time models here. So I think this is the best practical exposure a student and an educator can have.
If I may say, I'll start with, no matter how nicely you explain how a bicycle functions, to a student or to a learner, I will say. Fine. Okay, this is the pedal, this is the handle, it helps you give the direction, this is the pedal which generates energy. Fine. This is the seat where you sit, this is the bell. How well you explain, but until or unless somebody has ride over it, kind of getting disbalancing, falling, standing again, riding again, fine, nobody gets experience. That's why hands-on experience on all technical education is a must.
True, sir.
Because that gives them the real feelings of doing things. So my all education has been actually into engineering, my diploma in mechanical engineering, my BTech in mechanical engineering, then my MTech in industrial and production engineering, and then of course my PhD. So I have seen how important things are when it comes about hands-on experience.
True.
So I myself have conducted national level workshops on automobile engineering.
That's
so
great, sir.
That is where I actually understood the people need to do things by their own. That gives them real feeling, real understanding of things. And after making them feeling, so when you connect it into a classroom theoretically, so I think they have a greater, again, inspiration to take on from. Great questioning would be there. And if the right questions are being asked at the right time,
yes, sir,
this is all what we can do. Education should enable everybody to ask important and good questions.
True, sir. I agree with you. Like cramming from the books will not take you anywhere.
Exactly.
So my last question to you would be that what advice would you give students who are interested in space science?
First of all, do watch some good channels, because everybody is watching TV or on mobile. So I believe Antariksh TV, Get Set Fly are some of the channels which can actually give you a wow feeling when you watch them. Okay, then should ask relevant questions from the relevant people. Then third is getting hands-on experience. So I think school should provide that makers lab, space exploration things. Fine. These are the third thing. And then we should provide them right this time the technical talks. We should invite some of the best personalities from this field, fine, where they can come and interact with the students. I think they'll be the right person to deliver
True,
things.
sir.
Fine. So I always say, learn from those who have already done it. So I think these
like,
four
don't do the same mistakes as your parents and as your siblings have done.
Committing mistake is fine until unless you are learning from it. It is not a mistake anymore. Fine. Okay. Do commit mistakes, learn from it, so the next time you don't commit the same.
True, sir.
Fine. So it is very well said that a fool learns from his own mistake while a wise from others. But committing less mistakes, understanding more is always more helpful in the field of success.
Thank you so much, sir. It was pleasure having you here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 72170701000 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.